Well, here I am again. Memories. July 31st, 2017. Me and my boy was standing on this corner right here. Anyway, I just came back from doing the TV job and somehow I ended up right back in the same spot. I don't know how. TV job was a success. It came out to be a shorted capacitor. Believe it or not, it was something that I didn't even think would be bad. He plugged in the wrong adapter and it actually caused that capacitor to overload and short out. Thankfully, killing the power rail to go back into the adapter jack, saving the board from disaster. But guys happy, I'm happy. I got new solder, and I don't feel like doing this again. But it's sound of the city, you know.